Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing a Twitch account that's locked or suspended and what to do next. First, check your email linked to Twitch because Twitch always sends a message explaining why your account was locked or suspended. Read it carefully to understand the reason and whether it's temporary or permanent. If your account is locked, go to the Twitch login page and follow the steps to verify your identity or reset your password. For suspended accounts, visit the Twitch support website and submit an appeal. Choose Account Issues, then Suspension or Lock, and clearly explain your situation in a calm and honest way. Do not submit multiple tickets, as that can slow things down. While waiting, review Twitch community guidelines to avoid future issues. If the action was temporary, wait for it to expire. Following these steps gives you the best chance to regain access to your Twitch account safely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.